Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that frustrating Cash App error that won't let you link your debit card. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. You will land directly on the app's homepage. From the homepage, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Once you are in your profile, scroll all the way down until you see the Support option and tap on it. The support page will then begin to load. Here, you will see a list of options to help with different issues within the app. Scroll through this list carefully and tap on Adding Money. Then, select the Add Money option from the menu. This action will take you to a new page with multiple options related to adding money to your Cash App account. From this list of options, make sure to tap on Problem Linking Card or Bank Account. Next, select Problem Linking Debit Card. On this page, Cash App provides specific steps on how to properly link your debit card. It is very important to read all of the instructions carefully and follow them step by step. If you have followed all of the provided steps and the problem still isn't fixed, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and look for the Contact Us section. Tap Chat, and a feedback box will open. Here, you should type a clear and detailed message explaining the exact issue you are facing, and then send it directly to the Cash App support team. Give the support team a little time to review your request, and they will get back to you with a solution. And that is the complete process for how you can fix the Cash App error that is preventing you from linking your debit card. It really is just a matter of following these steps carefully and reaching out to their support team if you still need help.